API trading. Automate your strategies without being a developer. Hello traders, and welcome back to the FXCM YouTube channel. In today's video, we're exploring something that sounds technical, but is becoming more accessible than ever. API trading. And here's the good news. You don't need to be a full-time developer to take advantage of it. Let's break down how API trading works and how it can help you automate your strategies efficiently. What is API trading? API stands for Application Programming Interface. In trading, an API acts as a bridge between your trading strategy and your broker's platform. In this case, FXCM. Instead of clicking buttons manually, your strategy can send automated instructions directly to the market, like entering a trade when RSI crosses 30, or setting stop-loss levels based on real-time price movements. Why use API trading? Speed. Orders are executed instantly, without human delay. Consistency. Your trading rules are applied exactly the same way, every time. Scalability. Monitor and manage multiple assets across different timeframes, all at once. Emotion-free execution. No panic, no FOMO, just your rules in action. This is especially helpful for strategies like scalping, arbitrage, and back-tested systems. How to use it without coding skills. You don't need to be a programmer to get started. FXCM provides pre-built API wrappers in Python, Java, etc. Step-by-step documentation. Low-code platforms and integrations, like TradingView or third-party bots, that use FXCM's API. A strong developer community and support team for guidance. You can also hire freelancers to automate your logic, or start small with simple templates. Conclusion. API trading is no longer just for quants. Whether you're looking to automate part of your system or go fully hands-off, FXCM gives you the tools to do it, with or without coding. Like this video and subscribe to the FXCM YouTube channel for more on automation, strategy building, and next-gen trading tools.